Hi everybody, I just thought I'd try this on and kind of get a feel for how it's going to fit me, and the placement of this pleat I wanted to make sure was really correct and get a good fit, and it's looking pretty good. I'm less worried about it now. So the pleat takes the place of a bust dart in this design, and the way that it works, it should come within I think it's an inch or 2 inches at the most from the bust line. And it's a little bit off to the, obviously off to the side because it's near the armhole. But it's a pretty good fit for me. Once I get my side seams sewn together, I think it'll work. I'm still not super happy with the way the shoulders sort of drop down. And granted, I have kind of sloping shoulders. So I think I'm going to fix that by adding a small shoulder pad to this, which probably would have been in the original pattern, because at that time most women's garments had shoulder pads. So I'm going to add, I think, a little shoulder pad. See how it just looks a little better when it's up higher? So I'm going to do that next. We'll see how it goes. And then I can start on the other half.